I'm currently adding to this map, but I just want to show you all the freight cars that are in Trains and Railroads as of right now. It's not much. But then again, we need some more engines in this game too, so here are all the rail cars that is in Trains and Railroads right now. And there they go in the distance. Not a whole lot, honestly. Not a whole lot. But as of right now, this is my map. So this train, looking to get on the main. I am at some point going to have to build a siding so I can connect to the power plant. But I did get connection to the coal plant. I also have an abandoned train here at this cliff edge. And I want to see if I can get this line over here. And in case you're wondering what all this is, it's just a long string of trailer cars that are abandoned there from a previous video. Thing I left the door open. Anyway guys, if you like my content, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to help the Fort Wayne Historical Railroad Society, feel free to do so. They are currently going to get a New York Central steam locomotive restored to mainline operation, as well as a fleet of passenger cars of the New York Central Railroad that they're rebuilding. So this is going to be crazy, but whenever it does leave the museum, I hope to catch it. And if the dogs would shut up, because I'm trying to give my monologue here. Oh well. 99.9% of the videos I make are unscripted anyway, so yippee! I don't follow any formula. I just create. And YouTube will have my content rise and fall like elevation on a railroad. That's to be expected, I mean. I'm not the boss. I'm just the boss on this side of the internet. My portion. The one that I control. So as of right now, this main line is just has some abandoned rolling stock down here at the very end from a different video I was doing. But yeah, the track's still here. I'm gonna try and make this a fully functional route at some point. But after this video is uploaded, I probably won't be able to upload as frequently as I have been because I have to get back to work. We're just going to bring this to a gentle stop. I'm going to make a train of all the trains that I just have left here. Might be a lot, might not. It just depends on how much I figure to get made. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Just so you guys can get an idea of just how stupid this is. It's the end of the line. These are the trailers that are left. It's a whole train. Just these trailers abandoned out here in the country. Oh, it's over here. Okay. Yes, for now, this is the end of the line.